Right.
Sure.
This is our final year project for electrical.
I will now be doing our first test for the electrical circuit to see how the motors are working. So once you driving wheel, you'll try to go forward at this point in time. Okay, everything is working so far, so good. We'll try reversing now. Okay, everything is good. If you will watch the steering, yeah? And you'll try to turn left and right. Alright, that's good. Alright.
Everything seems to be good.
Everything, all the circuits working in order.
So we start the lawnmower using the start.
So let's put push button, we're going to press it, and set the motor like this, double shift. Alright, so now we're going to put the gas to see if we can get the lawnmower started now. This is all push button. Okay, now push on fuel. Alright, so, hey, alright, let's go on with that. Let's try it. Okay. Second test. That's it. Go ahead. Alright, this is our second try. We have just troubleshooted the problem. And this is our on-off switch to the engine. This is on now, and we will now proceed to start the lawnmower. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Pause. Alright. And now. So go ahead again. Ready? Then 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Ready? Again. This is our first process to see the circuit is functional. Remove the controller. On switch. So let's have the next on switch for the circuit on the lawnmower itself. Off, on. Here, gas. Off, nicely good. Alright, so now we also set it. Okay, good. Let's go. You're going to try forward. Okay. You're going to try reverse. Okay. Now let's try the steering now. If you're on to this side. Let's try our demonstration. We'll try to the steering. Okay. You're turn. We'll try to turn in the other direction. Alright. Steering, let's turn in the other direction as well. Alright. Battery is not right. So, therefore, circuit is working properly as well as should. Going forward equals as well as to the right hand.
will see the lawnmower touch the ground.
Thank you for viewing our video presentation of our remote control lawnmower.
We'd like to thank all persons that assisted us in collecting parts and contributed to the successful completion of this project.
We'd like to thank people such as Lisa for giving us the lawnmower, Shay for giving us the starter, or Latex who has given us all the parts, the electrical parts we needed, as well as for us to contribute to the battery. As well as everyone who we failed to mention at this point in time, but we still thank you all for contributing and helping us in our success.